Now, Indro, as Mamata Banerjee is going to Patna for an opposition drive, she's upping the ante against the centre. We also know the government is gearing up to ensure the currency supply is smoothened. Army choppers are to be deployed according to Finance Ministry sources. Banks have also been asked to open additional counters. Special focus on the eastern and northeastern parts of the country, including West Bengal. But I can see that shutter is down where you're standing. Is that an ATM or a bank? And what is the inconvenience that people will be facing once they come to withdraw hard cash?
Well, Devina, it's payday today, end of the month. People are planning for the new month to begin. There are payments to be made in the household, and there will be some amount of inconvenience. Right behind me, you can see here is an ATM. Clearly, there is a no cash board that is hung on it. Right next to me is another ATM of an ICICI bank. That too is not dispensing any cash. Right in the morning at this point in time. So there will be some amount of inconvenience. Like as far as the politics of it is concerned, of course, Mamata Banerjee trying to take this fight across the country. She was there in Lucknow yesterday. Today she would be in Patna. She is likely to be supported by some members from the JDU, because we know that Sharad Yadav last time did show his support for the cause, even though Nitish Kumar has supported demonetization. So Mamata Banerjee trying to rally a fractured opposition.
You have the RJD, which is now supporting JDU's Nitish Kumar's support to the government, as well as when we thought there's a crack in Mahagathbandhan. We're seeing that RJD bowing to the pressure. But let me go across now to Pramod. We've seen protests by the DMK as well in the state. AIA DMK has joined the protest at the centre, Pramod, against the inconvenience that's been caused to the common man. Is Chennai ready for the payday?
Well, Chennai is definitely not ready for payday, Devna. That I can say very clearly, because even though there is this clause called no money or no change, all you can see is that people are still working, and since 8th of November, they have not they have not escaped from work or like took off more than one day, because they are responsible for their work and they have to answer to their senior officer. And as you can see, we've been waiting in front of this ATM since 9 a.m. in the morning. No cash till now and no people around. Even the security guard is not here. When we asked another person close by, they said that around 12 p.m. this ATM some money would be deposited in here, which would get over in another half an hour. Now the problem is that tomorrow being first and tonight money is going to get credited, and in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu entirely, the maximum workforce is privatized, work for private people, and when it comes, they don't have an accurate representation. But for the government people, there is like government workers, there is a good representation, and unions, and they have demanded, they have made a plea and a request to the government of Tamil Nadu, stating that at least half of their salary should be credited in the form of,
but will that be met? Because there is a cash shortage that's been cited. Let me go very quickly across to Parbina as well. Parbina, the central government has already disbursed 10,000 rupees as advance salary last week to the employees, but clearly that is not enough. Many private firms also grappling with shortage of cash.
Absolutely, Devina. But clearly, while we speak about the northeastern states and Chennai, definitely national capital isn't ready for the pay week, because what we see just 10 minutes ago, we have seen in this front of bank at least a queue of, if not anything less, 50 to 80 people. Within 10 minutes, these people go back because the bank has announced there's no cash at the bank at the moment, and insufficient cash is the key word. Definitely there is no enough cash in most of the banks at the moment, because what we see is if 2,300 it's around 2,300 cash notes which have been extracted, the old currencies have been extracted from the market. We just have 300 crore cash coming back to the market. Definitely there is dearth of cash, and what we have seen just in front of the bank is that we do not have enough.
Well, if you go by the statistics also, Parbina.